Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to add $5 to your account for a new account on Steam. So what you want to do is go up to Steam in the top left, and then go down to Settings. Then right here, you want to go to Add Funds. So if you're not able to talk to people with your friends or something like that because it's disabled, go to Add Funds. And then you have the option right here to add $5. So the minimum fund level, just go to Add Funds right here. And then choose your payment type, maybe Visa, enter in your credit card information right here, and then go to continue. So you can check mark right here if you want it saved or not. But just continue under here, add $5 to your account, and then you can go to friends and chat. And you should be able to see your incoming requests, or you can add friends now under here. So if you're not able to add friends, add $5. And then you should be able to message people too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.